everyone, this is Sherry. It's Sunday today and I decided to suddenly vlog. My husband and I had a talk last night and we decided that it is time for my baby to have his separate room. I don't know what to feel about it, but I'm kind of like emotional, at the same time happy. We're here now in our master's bedroom here in our apartment. My baby and I share this space. I have a bed over here and he has a crib. Ever since Kurt was born, he is already used to the feeling of being held and being near me. Even if I put him on his crib, he cries, he doesn't like it. So we go on this bed. This is a king-size bed. You will see the whole thing in a minute, but we stay here. Sometimes if he wakes up in the middle of the night or early in the morning and I'm still sleepy, we automatically would transfer on his playpen. Instead of that mat, we put foam in there so that it would be more comfortable for me and my baby to lay there. He would play and I will continue my sleep. It's safer over there than it is in here because now he's super active. He crawls, he gets super interested with the lights, with everything that's in there. We put an effort to make him sleep on his bed, on this crib. But yeah, hopefully we'll make progress from now. So yeah, that's the plan. By the way, when my baby was born, my husband and I decided to sleep on a separate room. And it is something that I really like. My husband is a loud snorer. When Kurt was born, we decided to like sleep in different room because he doesn't want to disturb the baby while he's sleeping. I also don't get disturbed when he snores. So it has pros and cons, but more on pros. I don't know how will my baby react or how will I react. Maybe I will still go in his bedroom. I don't know. Probably I will still sleep there. This is our master's bedroom that I told you about. We both share it, my baby and I. That's the crib of my baby and this is my bed. It's a king-size bed. My husband decided to put the drawer here. It's not just for design but to make my life easy. I have his bottles over here, his formula and his water. I don't have to go anywhere. If in the middle of the night my baby suddenly starts asking for food, I can easily make it for him. I have a simple crib. I have this swing for him which we need to put to the storage because he no longer used this. When he was a baby, this was a big help. So yeah, that has to go. This is his changing table originally, but we took out the one that we're supposed to put at the top of this thing. I personally do think that changing tables are not really a must-have when you have a baby because honestly, you can change the baby anywhere as long as you have that waterproof mat. You can take your baby and change him anywhere. As you can tell, this is bare. I don't want to put decorations on these walls because in a few months from now we're moving anyway. We're here at my closet. I have 6 frames just like this. I was planning on putting it up at the living room, but then again, we're moving, so I was discouraged. My plan is to put family portraits here. Half of our things are in the storage. So for now, this is it. Let's go to the other room. Oh, this is a mess, but this is the second room. We will make this as Kurt's nursery. Those are my lights. I'm gonna keep that. to my baby's room. This is what it looks like. This is still temporary, but as you can see, we put his playpen over here. I know it looks crowded. If you ask me, I'd rather take these off, the railings, is that what you call it, and let the mat just stay there. It looks more cleaner that way. But in all honesty, my baby can use this. I don't want him to go anywhere on this room. I just want to keep him in one place. Don't worry about the TV over here. Number one, it is secure. And two, I am gonna make sure that whenever Kurt is here playing, I'm gonna be with him. I am gonna stay on this side because we really don't have enough space for now. So this will do. On this section, I put the lamp that's saying family is everything. I got that at TJ Maxx for $20, I think. I recently just bought that. It's an oil diffuser, of course, oils. This box right here is full of his shoes. I also put his water and formula over here that he is currently using, his Lysol for disinfectant, his diapers, bottles, extra milk, some extra water. I actually have to buy those boxes for this section to be organized. I will go to Target maybe next week to find that. And then here is his crib. My husband already adjusted it. Some of his toys. I have a little bit of space. I can work with that. I don't know, maybe in the next few days we can think of other ways to arrange this room, but for now this will do. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna take a bath or do more laundry or get our baby. I really don't know, but I'm exhausted and so is my husband. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. 10 minutes after I said goodbye, we rearranged the room again because it's so crowded. What it looks like right now is this. So we put the crib drawer over there side by side, and then his playpen over here. It's much more safer. It's away from the TV. This is what it looks like now. I mean, we like it. We can move freely. Unlike earlier, it's a little bit tight, but I fit. This is what it looks like. This setup kind of works. It's more functional. You can move here. I can get my baby's clothes, his playpen. This is really goodbye. We have to get ready now, change our clothes, and prepare because we have to get our baby. It's now 6 p.m. This stuffed animal is special for me and Kurt because when I was pregnant, this is the first toy that I purchased him. If you are curious where I purchased it from, it's from Amazon. This actually plays a song and I know the song. I don't know the exact title of the song, but when I was little, I was taught by my teacher and the lyrics goes like, Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little one to him below, they are weak but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me, yes, Jesus loves me, yes, Jesus loves me, the Bible tells me so. That's why I got this toy for him. Soon maybe I can teach him the same exact song, so when this one plays, he can also sing along.